Hello, here I have the power supply wired and I'm gonna turn on the system. And so we have the double acting cylinder extending first, holding for a few seconds and then retracting 2 times before the single acting cylinder extends, holds a bit longer and then repeats. Red wires mean positive and black means negative. The button needs power for both starting and stopping, and we connect the power supply in a way where we only need one negative and positive cable to power the whole terminal block. And each of these components are being connected to the terminal block. The blue wires being connected to inputs and white cables to outputs. The letters also help with which input we are connecting to. And I figured out that the address column in the tag table that was provided tells you where to wire things, but I didn't understand it at the time. The name column also has the names of which components go with which input or output. Looking at the PLC, we can see the outputs and inputs that are also labeled on the terminal block. And that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.